Welcome to our channel. If you want to promote an Instagram post or create an advertisement to reach more people, follow these step-by-step instructions for Instagram advertising. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Make sure you have a business or creator account to access promotion features. Step 2. Navigate to the post you want to promote and tap on it to open it fully. Step 3. Below your post, tap the Promote or Boost Post button. Step 4. Choose your promotion goal, such as getting more profile visits, website visits, or messages. Step 5. Define your target audience by selecting automatic targeting or creating a custom audience based on age, gender, location, and interests. Step 6. Set your budget by entering the amount you want to spend per day or for the entire campaign duration. Step 7. Choose the duration of your promotion by selecting how many days you want your ad to run. Step 8. Review your promotion preview to see how your ad will appear to your target audience on Instagram. Step 9. Add a payment method if you haven't already, then tap Create Promotion to launch your advertisement. Monitor your promotion performance through Instagram Insights to track reach, engagement, and results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.